I was never here, all right?
Okay. In these beans right now, the field average is 66. Be great to maintain that. I don't know that it's going to be possible. Still not completely full. I don't want to dump until I get a good load on the combine, so it actually tells me I'm full. And I'm checking my windows. It's not on the windows yet either, so we'll just keep cutting. Unload here. Well, that's probably 410 bushel, which means we're doing about 60 bushel, even though the monitor says 66. The other one says 62. We'll see. Amongst other things we need to do on the farm, as you can see, the trees that have fallen out of the fence row, we need to work on these in the off season. You gotta get in here and cut down these cut out a lot of these stupid trees. Well, it says we're full again. I can see on the windows we're not quite full yet. So far, God has allowed us to escape stupid Mother Nature. I had a couple drops on the windshield, on the windows a couple times, but it never really amounted to anything, never affected the way the beans were shelling, or the beans were combining or anything like that. I know it's hard to see it. We're getting one more dump on there. Let's go get this semi full. rain on the windshield, but I think we're gonna be able to keep going once this little deal passes. But we're gonna get a full semi load out of here, just like what I kind of set the goal at. No, light rain starting soon, likely stopping soon. That's what my radar, like the My Radar app, just told me. Thank you. Couldn't tell. Even despite the little bit of precipitation, I think we're still going to be able to keep going. Which is good. We've got about 13.7 acres under our belt right now. This is a 69 acre field, and I want to say the south part of it, which is south of the creek, is probably about 43 acres. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. It rained on us for a split second. How will this combine handle it? Still throwing dust out the back of the combine. Beans are still shelling into the tank. I'm not having bean stems wrapping around the auger. I think we're probably okay. Might have to run a little bit slower for a while. All right. Oh, it's 5:37. Got one load done in about a half an hour. So, like I said, I'm going to try to get a respectable load in. Hopefully that can be a full semi. You know, about 850 bushel is what Big Green will hold here. But we'll see. We'll see what we can do in the time we've got. What's the field average? It says 67 and a half. Crunch time, crunch time, crunch time! These 3120s are just not as good as the 3422s. Nope. When Isaac gets back, we'll have to have him go get the fuel trailer, get some fuel in this thing, as it's borderline on empty. The most pivotal thing though is that whatever kind of load we get out of here, it has to be gone. He has to be leaving here by 6:45.
Okay.
Just drop the pickup off there out of the way, and I'll get to it once we get you a full load. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, bye.